Another unboxing mga yan. And this time, galing na naman po sa Simplus. Simplus, nakakarami ka na sa akin. Baka naman. Walang biro mga yads. Maganda talaga yung Simplus. Matibay siya pero hindi siya mahal. So eto nga, ipagpatuloy natin ang unboxing natin. So una kong nakuha ito
Chopper
that can chop up to 300 ml. Meat grinder. The grinding cup can hold 300 ml. And ang reason bakit binili ko to ay ang fruit juicer. Napaka-aesthetic, diba? Gusto ko itong transparent cup niya. And mind you, this can hold 1,250 ml of liquid. Meron din siyang pulse mode, low speed, and 2 high speed. And ito namang mismong body ng ating blender. It claims to be powerful pure copper motor. Meron siyang 380 watts strong power, 5 seconds fast blending at 23,000 RPM.
Wow.
Oh, diba? And as always, every box ng Simplus, meron silang mga ganito, yung QR code at saka yung small manual, and yun lang. So, let's have a thorough look dito sa aking newly babies from Simplus. As you can see, tingnan nyo naman, ang ganda. Yung transparent, bet na bet ko yan kasi nakikita mo kung anong nangyayari dun sa biniblend mo.
ABS na rin yung body or kind of plastic na ginamit dito. So, it's really strong and durable. Food grade, wear resistant, at saka odorless.
And gaya ng sinabi ko, may 4 modes to, which is the pulse mode for easy blending and cleaning, 1 low speed para sa milk and juice, and 2 high speeds para naman sa harder ingredients. Hindi ka pa ba sulit niyan? May 3-in-1 food processor ka na? Meron kang multifunctional juicer, may meat grinder, at chopper. And I think hindi ko pa nabanggit, pero yung mga blades niya is made out of 3 or 4 stainless steel. So, safe! So, what are you waiting for? Bye na!
Uy mga yads, hope you like this video. Medyo matagal-tagal na rin akong hindi nakakapag-upload.
Please like, share, and subscribe!